Okay, on this video, I want to talk about the ratings and extras tabs. Let's go to the ratings tab. So click on ratings here on the top. And if you had version 1 of the software, we were able to track some of these services to make our video popular quickly and to get rankings quickly. We need to get views as soon as possible. As soon as you submit or upload your video, you should start getting views. There are some services here that we use. You have YT Nuke, Bajex, mtark, that is part of Amazon, and of course you have Fiverr.com gigs that you can use by just searching on Fiverr, as we did before, for YouTube views. Simple as that. So it's up to you if you want to use your gigs or not. Okay, just do a search on Fiverr and get the views. mtark as well is a service from Amazon. It's up to you if you want to use them. For us, the best options, what we always use, are Bajex or YT Nuke. So let me show you how easy it is. You just go to, for example, this site, YT Nuke, and you create an account with them. And as simple as that, you just go to create account. You just click on add a video, add your video. You ask how many views you want to get, and you can get up to, let's say, 5,000 views for maybe $5, $3. It's very cheap as well. So you can use that service. Very cheap, very easy to use. Bajex, they are limiting their accounts, their users, and it is very easy to use as well. You just add a video, you say how many views you want to get, if by credits, and they can make comments as well, but I wouldn't recommend the comments. So it's better if you go to Fiverr and click YouTube comments or something similar to be able to get the views. Okay, this is very important here. Okay, you need to start getting views, as soon as possible, and likes as well, and subscription. All those signals will help you to increase the rankings of your video quickly. And let's move to the next tab called extras. As well, here you can create playlists with your videos and other people's videos. Okay, if you think it's not necessary, go for no necessary. Why I am adding this as extras when before they were very important? Because as you can see the sequence here, we discovered that sometimes using pinging and a few backlinks or social backlinks, we can get the same results than getting thousands of backlinks or low quality backlinks. Here for link wheels, same thing on version number 1. You need to get 5 videos, related videos if you can. In version number 1, I explained that you can go to a site called you can use several sites to create videos. Okay, you can create your videos by yourself, or you can use a service like animoto.com. I'll show you. Here you can create quick videos. Well, you need to pay for this. It's not so expensive. I don't know. It depends, what is your budget, but you can create, quick videos. You have the option to create free videos as well. And And really very easy, you create one video and you have the option to click spin the video, so the same version of the video will create a variation, and each variation of the video is unique. So you just add the URLs here. What you need to do is point each video to the next video URL. That you do that on the description tab, and at the same time, after the description, point them to your main video here. In the past, as I'm telling you, we used to use these link wheels extensively, not anymore. So it's up to you if you want to use them. Embeds as well. If you can create some blogger accounts or free WordPress blogs, try to embed your video. Create a simple post and embed your video there. If you can create 10 blog posts on different places, like as I told you, Blogger or WordPress or Tumblr, it will help you as well. YouTube count embeds as well. And as well, you can use Fiverr, it's up to you. And one last thing here to show you is the last tab here, but I think I will create a new video for that. If we go to the summary tab as well, progress is increasing. Clicking on save just in case. So see you on the next video.